History facts. Suddenly in 1920, two books were distributed from all the mosques of India. One book was named Krishna Teri Geeta Jalani Paregi, and the second book was titled 19th Century Lustful Maharishi. Both books were anonymous. There was no author or publisher's name, and both of these books very vulgar, extremely abusive things were written on Lord Shri Krishna, Hinduism, etc. In these books very obscene sketches of all the gods and goddesses were also made. And slowly, both these books started being distributed from every mosque in India. When this thing reached Gandhi, Gandhi made it a minor issue by saying, freedom of expression, and said that everyone in India has the right to speak. But with both these books, India's public was boiling a lot. Then in 1923, Mahase Rajpal Ji, the owner of Lahore-based Rajpal Publishers, published a book called Rangila Rasool. The author of that book was named a secret, and in place of the author it was written, milk of milk and water of water. However, the real author of that book was Pandit Champupati, a well-known scholar of Islam. And the best part was that there was no lie in that book, but with all the evidence, many things were written by giving the rectangle number, hadith number, etc. Rangila Rasool has been sold all over India for 2.5 years. Somewhere, there is no ruckus. But one day suddenly on May 26, 1926, Gandhi, in his newspaper, Young India, by writing a long article, strongly condemned the book, Rangila Rasool, and finally wrote 3 lines like this. Muslims should punish those who write such a book themselves. After reading this article of Gandhi, Muslims from all over India were agitated. And the owner of Rajpal Prakashan, Mahashaya Rajpal Ji, was attacked 5 times in 3 years, but Gandhi did not condemn the attack even once. Interestingly, some Muslim scholars filed the case of that book, Rangila Rasool, in the Lahore High Court. Thumbs up judge summoned 4 Islamic scholars in court, asked them which line of this book is not correct, you tell that. 4 Islamic scholars agreed that there was nothing wrong in this book. Then the Lahore High Court dismissed the case against Mahashaya Rajpal Ji and acquitted them of the Bijjat. Then, on the 3rd of August 1927, Gandhi wrote another provocative article in the Young India newspaper, and in this article he wrote in such gestures that, when a person does not get justice from the courts, then he should try himself, let us take justice. Quote. After that there were 2 more assaults on Mr. Rajpal Ji, and in the end the attack on the 6th of April 1929 proved fatal, in which a young man named Muhammad Ilm then made several attacks on Mr. Rajpal Ji from the mace and killing him. Gandhi was in Lahore on the day he was assassinated, 7 days after that, but Gandhi did not go to the house of Mahashaya Rajpal Ji to condole, nor in any of his editorials condemned the murder of Mahashaya Rajpal Ji. After that, the British prosecuted and sentenced Ilm Din, the murderer of Mahashaya Rajpal Ji, to death in just 7 months. And that is also because the entire Hindu society was boiled in this country, and the British felt that if they did not hang fast, then the British rule could also be in danger. After this, on June 7, 1929, Gandhi wrote a letter to the British Viceroy and requested him to forgive the execution sentence of the murderer of Mahashaya Rajpal. And the next day, an article was written in his newspaper, Young India, in which Gandhi tried to prove that this killer is innocent, because he did not tolerate insult to his religion, and he got angry and decided to commit this murder. On the other hand, the then renowned barrister Muhammad Ali Jinnah, as a barrister in the Lahore High Court, appearing in the case, said that the culprit is only a 19-year-old boy, but he has committed heinous crime. His crime cannot be underestimated. But given his age, death sentence should be converted into life imprisonment, or it should be sent to the Blackwater jail. But the British executed Muhammad Ilm Din, the murderer of Mahashaya Rajpal Ji, in Lahore jail on the 31st of October 1929. On the 2nd of November 1929, Gandhi wrote the Black Day of History to hang ILM Din in Young India. Now you can understand yourself what kind of human being Gandhi was. Father of the nation. For what? Share this history as much as possible. An article by Sudhir Jain Ji.